Hey there everyone, and again from Yoga Forever with Ann Noonan. I want to show you a really cool way that you can relax. Stretch out this area without coming into a full-on yoga practice, without coming into a full-on standy-uppy stretch where you're going to need some muscle work or some balance. Here is down on the floor, and you can have either one of these two implements next to me. This one is a bolster cushion. Now it's a really good, sturdy, big, sausage-shaped bolster cushion that's kind of good and, solid. And it's really cool to support the back. Now, you could also use, if you don't have one of those, if you have this kind of soft yoga mat from Kmart or Target, the really thick, that thick kind, nice and soft and spongy. They sell them sometimes as camper mats or an exercise mat, and they're nice and soft, rolled up. This is the kind of thing you want. Now the length of these are very, very similar in the sense that they will go along the average adult's back. Now I'm going to use the bolster cushion so we can show you something here. And I'm going to shuffle myself around long ways so that you can see what I'm doing. This bolster cushion you're going to place pretty much behind you at your butt. See this? You're going to line it up behind you. As you sort of lay it down, you're going to come straight back on it. You can bend the knees up if you wish and simply bring the back straight back on it. Now see how it's lifting my ribs and spine, shoulders, and then you let yourself simply relax. The purpose of this, or one of those yoga mats if you prefer, but you need something thick and round enough to really lift you up off the floor. This is curving the spine, opening this part out. Now, if you need to sort of shuffle your hips back up a little higher on the cushion, that's okay. If that feels a bit more comfortable, let the arms flop, keep the knees bent, and allow your body to completely relax. If you want more of a stretch, wriggle the butt back a little bit down onto the floor, and then let the legs simply fall out in front and let yourself fall out. You'll find that this really just opens everything out, because what do we do most of our day? We're huddled over a computer, we're hunched forward. Whatever our day-to-day consists of, it usually doesn't open the back and the spine out quite like this. So lay back, enjoy. Take a deep inhale through the nose and make sure you fill the belly. Really swell, really inhale up. And exhale it out. And stay here for a good 5 minutes or so. If your back is absolutely not used to this kind of move, it's okay, just stay here for as long as you feel you can handle it. And then when you feel that you've had a really beautiful stretch out, bring the knees up, maybe grab hold behind the thighs, gently pull the body up, come on around. Oh, that's an awesome stretch. Hope you enjoyed that. Go grab yourself a bolster cushion or a cheapo mat from Kmart. Enjoy. See ya.